We took the Balearia Ferry to Bimini, Bahamas. It was a 2-hour boat ride leaving from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Our boat left at 9 a.m., but boarding started as early as 7 a.m. By the way, this is Tiffanie Travels. We help women and families build wealth, travel, and live richer. Subscribe to travel with us as we tour 40 cities, all while building wealth. For us, life is about experiences with the people you love. After we cleared immigrations and customs, we hopped on a trolley to take us to the Hilton, and we saw these beautiful, clear waters here. One thing to note here is the people who were doing day trips were allowed to get off of the ferry first. We checked into our room at the Hilton. It was your standard Hilton room. We had a king-size bed. Here's the bathrooms here. Very nice. Exactly what you would expect from a Hilton. We had ocean views, so we can see when the cruise ships came in and when they were leaving. This was the view from the 4th floor. The island is really tiny. Bimini Bahamas is tiny. There's one main road and all the restaurants and bars are off of this main road. So we rented a golf cart at a rate of $70 a day, which helped us get around the island. If you love seafood, then this is the place for you. There's tons of conch. It's like a national dish. So there's conch salad, conch fritters, just conch everything. Here are the views from the rooftop pool. The Hilton has multiple pools. They have a couple of pools on the ground floor, and they also have this beautiful rooftop pool. There's also a bar up here by the rooftop pool, so you can come up here, grab a drink, and hang out. Look at these amazing views. You will not regret booking a trip here, having a drink, and just relaxing. You can see these private homes here, which are just beautiful. This is Radio Beach, just in case you wanted to get away from the Hilton for an afternoon. You can come to the beach. It's beautiful, the waters are clear, and they sell food along the side of the beach where you can buy cooked meals. We were celebrating my friend's birthday, so here's the birthday girl. If you want to see more, check out our girls' trip to Napa Valley.